Okay, ready? Pretty faces on. He's running. Where do I start?
I'm about to get them. Look at, oh, yo, best chicken in Oklahoma. I guarantee you. Best chicken in Oklahoma. El Polo Completo, you know? Shout out to my homeboy Darius, you know?
Okay, so we have chicken, we have hard tacos, soft tacos, breakfast, and dessert.
But,
Let's begin. Okay, that's long.
yeah,
With the lime juice?
yeah. Oh my.
It's hot. First question.
El Polo Completo.
That was my question.
You're right.
Okay. Is cereal a soup? Why or why not? Yes.
What is the definition of a soup?
In the cereal.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Okay, but
cereal is a soup.
there's
yes.
potato.
No, it's
actually,
not.
no,
It's not. Cereal's not
Because
a soup.
you have like mushroom soup, potato
Do you
soup.
hear what we're saying right now? Cereal is not a soup.
Does cereal belong in? Mexican food? No, it belongs in cereal. Well, cereal's like its own thing. You know what I'm saying? Like you can have different kinds of soup just like you can have different kinds of cereal. So cereal doesn't fall under soup. Is hot dog a sandwich? Why or why not? You may have put me on.
Ain't no make to it. It's good.
It's like
El Polo, you know what you doing, man. Yeah. Oh, what was the next question? Oh yeah, is hot dog a sandwich? I
Yes.
forgot. This food is so good.
hot dog is a sandwich.
No,
Mhm.
it's not. A hot dog is a hot dog. A sandwich is a sandwich.
No,
Like, what?
you can't just say that.
You can, though. That's what it is.
Subway.
That's a sandwich.
But the breads are like this, like a hot dog. It
But
just depends
listen.
what you put in between it.
Exactly.
So you could put ham and cheese between a hot dog bun, and it would be a sandwich.
Exactly. Because there's no hot dog in it.
But that could be a sandwich too. It's what you put in it. It's just a sandwich. It's between bread. Sandwich means between bread.
Okay.
What part of a kid's movie completely scared you? Seeing the old guy from Secret of Nim. You have to look that up and tell me it's not scary. Like if you saw it when you were like 5. Okay, no.
I'm sorry.
You're focused on the chicken.
I know. God is so good.
Yes.
Man. So good. A movie that haunted me as a kid. Oh, yo, I didn't tell you this one in the car.
Okay, go.
Did I tell you why Lion King is my favorite movie?
No.
Okay.
I know it is.
Okay. Well, the main reason I got so attached to Lion King as a little kid is I would see myself as
Mufasa?
Why you look?
You thought you were Mufasa when you were little?
Oh,
And you looked at yourself in water and you thought,
no, hold up. Yo, hold up. Weird. No, my fault.
put it down and conversate with me.
Okay, my fault.
This kind of tastes like fish. Like tilapia. Like the way it's seasoned.
Alright.
That is a spine.
You're acting like you didn't know the chicken had bones in it.
Okay, I thought it was just bones, not a like backbone, like a spine. Let me come show y'all this spine. Okay?
A whole vertebrae. Yo, you're capping.
That is what it is. There's like all the lines in it, and it's nasty.
Back to the Lion King, if y'all didn't know. What?
I got a bone. You know I had to bring so many napkins up here.
I saw myself as Simba, and whenever Scar was like pushing Mufasa off the mountain, I saw Mufasa as my dad, and like I was like, damn, what if somebody push my dad off a mountain? Like I would be mad, like I would beat that.
You really thought so. You were convinced.
Yeah, I was. So yeah, that part really got to me. Taco Tuesday. Yeah, shout out to LeBron.
My mom probably heard that and she's like, what the?
That's funny.
Cheers.
Oh, my fault. Think.
Next question. What is something that everybody looks stupid doing? Chewing.
I look sexy.
What?
I look sexy.
Okay. Not you.
Everybody looks stupid sneezing.
That's a good one. You know the face they make when it's like coming, and then they're like,
yeah. But sometimes you be on that type stuff.
I never sneeze like chew. It's always like a. You know, you have like 10 chances to say pineapple.
It's not always like that. Next question. Bomb?
Bomb. What is the weirdest thing a guest has done at your house? I'm ready to hear this one.
So it was probably 12 in the morning. Probably like, I think it was like 10th grade. It was me, Tyler, Johnny, and I think Garrett was there. And we was all in my room and the lights was off. And I don't know how, but I think Johnny got like Tyler's pee on him.
What?
I don't know how. And he turned the lights on and he said, Tyler, what is this? And Tyler was laughing because we knew he like peed on him or something. And then Johnny walked up and said, smacked him. Smacked him in the face. Yeah.
So did like they fight?
Yeah, they fought for about 5 minutes.
Who won? You ain't gonna say it.
Somebody got hit in the face with a pillow that had like a battery. Like no,
Oh.
yeah, a battery filled
Okay.
pillow. So they was like hitting it hard, and that you, bink. Yeah,
Who got hit?
I think it may have been Tyler. I think that's what started the whole thing.
He's gonna be pissed when he watches this.
He got smacked. I think
We're eating this first.
what is that?
You ordered it.
What is it?
Don't smell it. Smell it.
I don't want
You
to.
ordered it, and you were like, "You don't mess with that." And I was like,
Why you
sauces.
capping? Oh, it's coleslaw.
It doesn't look like coleslaw. It looks like salad with broccoli in it.
Yo.
Smell it.
Uh-uh.
Just try it.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh. Mm,
That is disgusting. Don't eat that.
Thanks for trying it first. Okay. In 40 years, what will people be nostalgic for? I think
McGreasy's. Everyone's in love with El Polo Completo.
okay. That place is bomb. I think grocery shopping isn't gonna exist in 40 years because you can just order things online and just get it.
Oh yeah, my real answer. I don't think steering wheels are gonna exist. I think we all gonna be riding big balling in Teslas. And
Tesla could take over the world.
Tesla could. Y'all see that movie I, Robot?
No.
See?
No, never.
Couldn't be me though.
Now for dessert.
Oh, yeah.